All right, today we're going to pop the digital hood on all those devices you use every single day. Let's unpack what's really going on inside that makes your phone, your laptop, and everything else actually work.
I mean, really think about it. You tap your screen, you click a mouse, and boom! This incredible chain of events just happens in a flash. So what is that invisible force making it all happen? Well, to get our heads around it, we're going to use a really simple analogy.
Okay, for this whole explainer, just imagine that your device, your phone, your computer, your tablet, is a car. Seriously, this is going to make it super easy to see how all the different pieces fit together. So, first things first. Every car needs one crucial thing just to get started, right? We have to talk about the engine.
System software, it's the absolute foundation of everything. Think of it like the master controller, the big boss. It's what tells your screen, hey, you're a screen. Or your keyboard, okay, it's time to type. It tells the processor how to, process. Without it, nothing happens.
And this is where our car analogy really clicks. Just like the engine in your car, system software just runs. It's chugging away completely in the background. You don't really use it directly, but let's be honest, without it, your phone is just a fancy paperweight. It provides all the raw power. And you know these engines. You see their names every single day. Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS. These are the powerful hearts of our digital cars. The second you turn on your device, this is the very first thing that roars to life. Okay, great. Our engine's running, we've got power. But how do we actually drive this thing? Well, for that, you need to look at the dashboard and grab the controls.
Now, this is the software you actually touch and see and interact with. It's all about getting something done. So if system software is the engine, application software is, it's the steering wheel. It's what you use to actually go somewhere. And yeah, you know these by a much more common name, apps.
It makes perfect sense, right? In a car, the steering wheel gets you where you want to go. The pedals make you stop and go. The radio gives you something to listen to. It's the exact same idea on your device. Your web browser, your email app, your favorite game. These are the tools you use to do something specific. And I mean, look at this list. These are all household names. Every single one is an app built for a very specific job. Browsing, writing, connecting, playing, listening. Let's face it, these are the reason we even use our devices in the first place. They sit right on top of that system software, that engine, and use its power to get stuff done for us.
All right, so our car's got an engine, and it's got a dashboard and controls. We're on the road. But what happens when we need to keep it running well? What about maintenance? You got it. Every good car needs a toolbox.
The stuff is basically the car's personal mechanic. Utility software, it's not for going on a fun road trip, and it's not the engine. Its one and only job is to keep the whole system, the whole car, running smoothly, running efficiently, and, really importantly, running safely. I mean, you don't pull out the jack and wrenches for your daily commute, right? But you know they're absolutely essential for the long-term health of your car. Utility software is exactly like that. It might work quietly in the background, or you might open it up once in a while to do like a digital oil change or a tune-up. So for example, your antivirus program, that's what stops your engine from getting a virus, literally. A disk cleanup tool, that's like clearing all the junk out of your trunk so the car runs lighter and faster. And backup software? Come on, that's your insurance policy, pure and simple. These are the tools that keep your digital car in peak condition. So there we have it, the three main kinds of software. But you know, none of them really matters on its own. The real magic, the whole point, is how they come together to create one single working vehicle. Okay, let's put it all on one page. It's this simple. You've got the system software. That's the engine. It provides the raw power. Then you've got the application software. That's your dashboard. It lets you, the driver, actually do things. And finally, you have the utility software, your toolbox. It keeps the whole thing maintained and running great. See, you absolutely need all three. And that's the big takeaway here. None of these parts work alone. An engine by itself just sits there. A steering wheel without an engine is just a circle of plastic. And a car with no toolbox, well, that's just a breakdown waiting to happen. It's the way they all work together that gives us that smooth digital ride we expect every day. So that leaves us with a really interesting question for the future. As our digital cars get smarter and smarter, we're talking more like self-driving cars every day, which of these layers do you think will be the most important for us to understand? Will it be the powerful engine under the hood, the dashboard and controls we use, or the toolbox that keeps it all safe? Something to think about the next time you pick up your phone. Thanks for joining me.